Hi everyone, Alex Filvet here, and right now I want to share you with another optimization technique. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna combine my textures into one texture. So I'm gonna put roughness, metalness, and as well you can do the same with ambient occlusion. So let me show you how I gonna do it. So here you can see that I already did for this set of textures. And here, oh, maybe at first I want to find this object into my scene. So panels, they are here. Okay. So now I want to open Photoshop and let's move our roughness here. Let's convert it to smart object, and right now we cannot see any channels, right? So what we should do, we should open image mode and switch to RGB color. And let's try to do the same. Only this time we can see these channels. So yeah, let's put green. And for metal, whoop. Let's do the same, only let's leave here blue. Okay. Now I want to save it as PNG and change the name on roughness of metal. So here is it. Let's import into my Unreal project. And first of all, I should double click and turn off sRGB and save this texture. Now let's open my material. And I want to find my texture sample, wires. So it was panels, here, panels. So for green, roughness, blue, metal. And now I can delete these textures, apply, and save. So in this case, you can do the same with ambient occlusion. So you can use, instead of 3 textures, just 1. So it works. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see that it works. Thank you guys. I hope it was useful for you and have a good one.